Onyeze, I was already on my way when one of the young men of our kingdom brought them to my place. And they came with the same explanation, and I decided to bring them before you so you could listen to them.
Which kingdom did you come from?
Umu Omama, Your Majesty.
And you said a cow from Umu Obejili traveled all the way to Umu Omama and died there?
We do not know how it happened, Your Majesty. But when we saw the remains, we discovered that it has the mark of Umu Obejili. Yeah.
Your Majesty, we believed it strayed into our kingdom and possibly met its death. We can confirm that it was not killed because no part of the body was cut.
We are deeply sorry, Your Majesty. If we had seen the cow before it died, we would have made every effort to bring it back to Umu Obejili. As you can see, we came with these gift items. We know they are not enough to express how deeply sorry we are, but we implore you to please accept them from us.
And where is the carcass now?
Still where it was found, Your Majesty. We have detailed some of our men to stand by and take care of it.
Yes. Oh no.
Onyeze,
send some of our men to go with them and identify the cow. This gift will be given to the owner once it is identified.
Thank you so much, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you,
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Thank you.
The men traveled over 10 kilometers to come apologize for the death of a cow that strayed into their kingdom. That is how powerful Umu Obejili kingdom is. The neighboring kingdoms dread them, for they can kill 1,000 men in a few hours. They are so dreaded because it has been proven over the years that the weapons of war do not penetrate the bodies of their warriors. They always come out of every war unscathed. And we will find the reason for this in this film.
Are you out of your mind? How could you come here and in my absence move into my hut? Is this no longer my mother's sister's hut? I just saw Augusti and...
My love.
Obi.
No time is enough with you.
It is same with me too.
So when do we see again?
When you need me, you know exactly what to do. And when I need you, I know what to do too.
So, I should get going now.
Fine. Don't miss me too much.
No, I it.
Am I dreaming or what?
Obioma, what do you want?
Because I saw your mother this morning and I'm sure she did not send you. So why are you here?
I have just seen Ogosi and Ogugwa in your hut.
As far as you and I are concerned, you saw nothing.
Of course I saw something. What were they doing there?
Agalacha, where are you? Agalacha.
Listen, for your own good, remain here and do not make a move until I come for you. Do you understand?
What?
Agalacha, I have been calling you.
Where is Ogugwa?
He just left.
So, how was it?
You don't want to know, do you?
Of course I want.
I'm sure you do not want to know. Anyway, thank you very much for accommodating us. I am very grateful for your assistance.
Anytime, my dear friend. Whatever makes you happy, it's alright by me.
Fine. I will run now. I've stayed out late.
But before you leave, what about the gift you promised me?
You mean the gold? Why don't you come to the palace whenever you're free? I am sure I will have more than a bar of gold to give to you. Fine. I have to be on my way.
Okay.
What is going on? How would they explain this for me to understand?
Ogugwa, I have been here almost all day.
Good to know that you spent your whole day waiting for me. Don't you have better things to do?
I was worried about you.
Because I'm not old enough to stay safe. Or that I don't have the liberty to stay out of my hut and come back whenever I choose to.
That is not what I'm talking about.
What then are you talking about? That I cannot go out without informing you. We are not even married yet, and you are like this.
My love, what is happening?
You are being annoying, controlling, and a nag. That is what is happening, and I don't feel too good about it.
I can't believe you just said those words to me.
And I mean everything that I have said. What is wrong with you? You want to control everything that I do. Eh? What makes you think that I feel good about that?
Ogugwa, I have not tried and will never try to control anything that you do. For goodness sake, I am your woman
and that does not mean that I have lost my independent life. I don't want to have this kind of discussion again.
Agalacha, how could you be a part of this?
I know how wide your mouth is, but for your own good, whatever you saw, you better keep to yourself.
Really?
Of course. Besides, what did you see? Did you see anything?
I saw Ogosi, the king's new wife, in your hut with Ogugwa.
Hey.
And the body language between them is enough for any reasonable person to draw a credible conclusion that something is happening
What
here.
are you talking about? What hut? When and where did you see them? And what stupid body language are you talking about? And which stupid conclusions are you making?
Agalacha, are you going to deny what I just saw?
Listen here. I just saved your life by making sure Ogosi did not see you. So if you like, go out there and start wagging your tongue. Blah, 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 blah. Whatever you see, you take it.
I guess we have to find a way to coexist.
How is that even possible? I mean, I can't stand that aura.
The same aura that has enveloped father, and all he sees is love?
Don't know how that happened.
She's beautiful anyway, and young.
That's the point. A beautiful and young woman marrying a man old enough to be a father. I mean, doesn't that say a whole lot about her morals? And there's just this thing about her that's not right.
I don't like that woman.
My favorite people in the world. My stepchildren. How are you?
How comfortable? How comfortable? How comfortable is it for you calling your age mate stepchildren? Don't you have any shame? Are you so mannerless and shameless at the same time?
But that's exactly what you are to me. Truth be told, that's what you are to me. And I don't mean it in an insulting way, anyways.
Quit trying. We will never accept you. Why is it hard for you to understand? Why is it hard for you to get that into your thick skull?
Why is it also hard for you and your brother to understand that I love the king so much? I love him. And I mean well for everyone.
We will never accept you, whether you like it or not. And if you think my father loves you, that's fine. Keep that love around you. Don't spread it. We don't want it.
Ozioma, why are you behaving like this? I came to you with this because I believe you're one of the few intelligent maidens who understand me. Why are you not acting like this?
If you finally conclude, I am no longer intelligent because I refuse to believe your tales and damaging gossip, it is very unfortunate.
But this is not a gossip. I am telling you what I saw.
And I have asked you to provide evidence, or better still, a witness who can collaborate your story. And you said you have none.
So because nobody saw what I saw with me, you believe I fabricated it? Eh? Why are you like this? Why?
Let me just advise you as a friend. That woman is wife to the king. And you know he loves her. He can kill for that woman. Mind the kind of damaging things you create to damage her reputation. Because it can backfire.
Nobody will believe me. Nobody. Maybe I should just listen to Agalacha and mind my business.
All I do is to show them love in this palace. But they take every given opportunity to show me how much they despise me. Is that right?
And I keep telling you that should not bother you. My love, please come and sit down with me.
Leave me alone. Your children are bent on making my life miserable in this palace.
And you're saying I shouldn't be bothered?
Go say, it's only a matter of time. They will come around. They will.
When? When would that time be? When? Tell me. This was what you said before we got married. And we have been together for 6 months now. Things are even getting worse. When?
Ogosi, I think it is because you're making yourself available to them. Why not give them some space and continue to be the good woman that you've always been? That way I know that they will value you. They will even want to make amends.
Where have I gone wrong? All I have ever asked is for us to be a happy family. Am I asking for too much? Am I?
Ogosi, we will. We will be a happy family. I promise you.
Greetings, great priest of our land. We are blessed to have you cross our path this time.
Beautiful ones.
She that spoke delights my heart.
She is a good maiden from the household of Onyemechi Okulogo.
Oh.
Is this not the beautiful maiden that has stolen the prince's heart?
Greetings, Lolo.
Greetings, Oledu. You do not have to be formal with me. You can call me by my name.
But your status has changed already. You are no longer the Ogosi that dwelled among us. You have become the queen of Umobijili and deserves to be respected by all.
Thank you very much for the acknowledgement.
But that is just the truth. I was trained to respect whoever that ought to be respected.
Thank you very much. So how are you?
I'm okay. Thank you.
I guess you had a very nice time with the prince.
As always. So good, but we're fine.
Oh no. Don't tell me you have issues with the prince.
No, not at all. Not at all. The prince and I are good. It had nothing to do with us.
Come on. Talk to me. I mean, we can have a private discussion if you don't mind.
That would be fine.
Alright. Does it mean Ogosi is not as decent as we had always believed? What was she doing with Ogogwa? Should I not ask further questions about this?
Listen here. I just saved your life by making sure Ogosi did not see you. So if you like, go out there and start wagging your tongue. Whatever you see, you take it.
But why would she ask me to keep this to myself?
We were not friends exactly before I got married to the king. And we were not enemies either. And for a reason, I think I should confide in you and tell you about this.
Honestly, I feel honored to have you tell me about your problem.
As a constant caller in the palace, I believe you ought to have known about this by now.
Actually, I knew about it. I mean, I overheard the prince and the princess talk about you all the time.
I don't need to ask you what they said about me, because I know it will not be good. Oledu, I did not choose the king. He chose me. Ever since I got married to the king, all I have always done is to be nice to his children. I have never wronged them. Never have I.
I feel your pain. I do. Nothing hurts like rejection. Especially by those you consider family.
That is it. I am happy you understand me. And for that reason, I want you to be of help to me. Please.
You want me to be of help to you?
Yes. The prince loves you so much and would do anything to make you happy. Please, Oledu. I want you to put 1 or 2 words in my favor across to the prince. Please.
I don't know about that. Is it necessary?
It's necessary. Oledu, I'm suffering. I am a very sad woman. The palace is too hot for me. That is why I need you to help me. And you know what? Sometime in the future, I could be of help to you too. I know you might not be happy to hear this, but I have to say it to you anyway. The king has another maiden for the prince.
No, he doesn't.
Yes. As much as it hurts, he does. She's a princess from another kingdom. And the prince does not know about this yet, because the king hasn't told him, but he told me. Trust me, the king will do everything within his power to make him marry the princess, because he believes that they suit each other more than you. But do not worry. Don't worry yourself, because the truth is that the king loves me so dearly and would always please me. So it will be very easy for me to convince him to get the prince to marry you. Don't cry. You see why we have to come out with our various powers in our various capacities to help each other. But I know you're very hot. But do not tell anyone about this. Not even the prince. You have to keep it to yourself. Oh no, please stop crying. All you need to do is to be a good girl like you've always been. And allow me to walk on the king. I have the key to his heart. And you should always walk on the prince and princess to accept me. And it's fine. Alright?
Alright. I will see what I can do. I promise.
It's alright. Do not worry yourself. Everything will be sorted out. And we will laugh at the end. Okay?
It has been 2 days. She has not come back. That is quite unlike Machi. She will always come back, even if I annoy her. Why must this one be different? Did I overstep my bounds? But I needed to be tough on her, else she would have insisted on knowing where I went that day. Being mean was the only way I could stop her from asking too many questions. Should I go to see her? No. She has to come to me. She has always done that. And this one will not be an exception. I believe she will come, maybe by the end of today. Brogogwa, you are a great man. You are dating one of the most beautiful maidens in this land, and at the same time eating the king's food. Well, she has always been mine before greed drove her into the arms of the king. Once mine will always be mine. Oh yes. That is why I am Ogugwa, the Okuloka of Umobejile. The great warrior with the wands of the gods.
Beautiful Princess Ozine, I greet you. Your beauty grows with you. Even as a girl growing up, you were so beautiful that...
Who are you?
You mean you don't know Agalacha of Umobejile Kingdom?
And who is Agalacha?
She's the one you're listening to now. Anyway, I forgive you for not knowing me. You were much younger when Agalacha was Agalacha. Hi, Agalacha, wow, you. Hey, I was once the most beautiful of all the maidens. Hey, but age and time is an enemy.
Please, what do you want here?
Lolo is my friend. My very good friend at that.
What? Who are you referring to as Lolo? What?
Lolo Ogusi.
How dare you? Are you out of your mind? How dare you call that animal Lolo? Are you out of your mind? You crazy?
How dare you refer to the king's wife as an animal?
I should have known she keeps such useless women as friends. You must be a partner in crime.
Enough! Enough already, I said! What's wrong with you? Did I insult you? How dare you talk to me in such a manner? Did I insult you in any way? Why are you insulting me? Are we mates? I am asking you, Princess
Ozine, am I your mate?
Anyway, I don't blame you.
I blame myself for stopping to greet a mannerless peacock like you. Rubbish. Get out of my way! Did that old bag of trash just call me a mannerless peacock? How dare she? How dare she? Father! Father! Father, have you seen what you've done? Have you seen what you've done, Father? Have you seen it? Father, I am talking about that nonsense you brought into this palace, all in the name of a wife.
Zenne, how dare you? Hey, Your Majesty, please, I will come back later. We need to handle this.
Did I bring you up to be this rude and mannerless? Not even an acknowledgement of the presence of my Ono. And as if that was not enough, you called my wife names in his presence? You did?
Father, that is what you get for not listening to your children when we tried to warn you not to bring that gold digger into this palace. But have you seen what she has brought up upon us?
What has Ogosi done?
What has she not done, Father? She's tarnishing the royal image with her classless personality. Father, she brought in a maid to insult me in my own father's palace.
I don't understand what you're talking about. I don't!
That old bag of trash claiming to be our friend came and insulted me, Father. She even tried to beat me up, Father. She tried to beat me up.
Oh.
Hey, Father, are you just going to laugh about it?
Given the way you have become, very rude and insulting, I think you deserve whatever insult whoever you're talking about give to you. Yes.
Hey, Father, that's all you're going to say?
Actually, in addition to that, this would be the very last time you will ever walk into my throne room in this manner. And neither will you talk to me in this tone again. Now get out of my palace. Get out! Out!
She must be prepared for the marriage rites in 4 nights. That is the message from the deity, and it must never be reversed.
As it pleases you.
She will make good wife for the great Uberman Oyino, and our land will continue to multiply.
Are you sure you are in the right place?
Very well, Mazi. Your daughter has caught the eyes of the priest, and he is delighted to make her wife to the deity.
Good.
I shall proceed with my message and make it clearer.
Good. Go ahead.
Please!
Do not proceed with that. The priest has chosen our daughter as wife for the deity.
I am not a stranger in Umitem, so I know what it means for the messenger of the priest to visit a household with cowries. Please, pick up the cowries and return to the priest.
Do you know what it means for me to pick up these cowries and return them to the priest? Do you?
I'm sure you know the answer yourself.
What are you doing?
Is my message clear to you, or do you need further explanation?
Greetings, messenger of the great deity of our land.
If you do good on earth, good will follow you. If you do bad on earth, you will get your reward.
have made myself clear. It will not happen.
But how could you say such a thing?
Who would want to give out his only daughter to be married to the deity?
What? Mother, what did I just hear you say? Which only daughter and which deity? Mother, please talk to me. I just saw the messenger out there. I greeted him, but he could not even respond to my greetings. And now you're here talking about an only daughter being married to a deity? Mother, what is going on?
My daughter.
Father.
The messenger was here to announce that the chief priest has chosen you as wife of the deity.
And I made it clear to him that it will not happen. Listen, I've made the right decision. Just don't worry about it, okay?
Mother, you have to make this right. You have to make this right because nobody turns down the deity's marriage proposal.
Listen, calm down. Calm down. Come and sit. Come.
Ozinne, I'm not in support of disrespecting father. Shouldn't have spoken to him in that manner.
Well, that's not a problem, yeah.
It is part of the problem.
No, it's not. Because he went ahead and married a woman against her wish, and she brought a stupid friend to come here and insult me.
Even at that, it's not enough reason to disrespect him.
Well, he should have thought of that before marrying that stupid woman.
He says he loves her, and I'm sure he did not send anyone to insult us.
Love. Did I hear you say love? Wait a minute. Are you beginning to accept her?
Let's not diverge. Okay? The way we treat father means a lot. The fact that he got married to a woman we do not approve of doesn't make him a bad father, and we must remember that at all times.
Well,
you need to apologize to him.
Apologize for what? Has he for one day apologized for bringing that stupid woman into this palace? A stupid friend. You even called her Lolo.
But that's what anyone married to the king is called.
No. Mother was and still remains the Lolo of this palace as long as father is on that throne. You know what? You were not helping me at all.
You need to apologize to father. Ozinne.
Yes.
Mma.
Please state your mission. I am busy inside.
Why are you talking like this?
Because I am a very busy maiden, contrary to what some people think.
Ma, it has been 3 days since you last visited my hut.
Are you not happy that I can do other things rather than stalk you all day?
Now I understand why you are angry. It is because of what happened the last time you visited.
Please, I don't have time to discuss this. Like I said earlier, I am very busy inside.
Ma, I am sorry that I snapped at you the last time. Okay, that is why I came to apologize.
I don't just understand you, Ogugua. I have tried as much as possible to do, but I don't. I am your woman, but I know nothing about your engagement. Sometimes you just disappear for days and come back infuriated at me. Why is it so?
I am sorry.
It is not about being sorry. It is about straightening things. I have one question to ask you. Is there another woman?
What other woman? Don't be ridiculous.
You have not answered my question.
There is no other woman. It is only you.
Then why are you like this? Why are you like this? Sometimes you deliberately pick up a fight with me just for me to leave you to be with another woman.
Why would you talk that way? Huh? Why, Emma? Ask anyone in this kingdom You are the only woman that I, Ogugwa, looks at. What do I even want from other maidens? When I have you, you have everything. You are beautiful, you have a good heart, and you are intelligent. My love, I am sorry. It's just that I have been going through difficult times lately. Yes, it has nothing to do with our relationship. I shouldn't have allowed it to come between us.
My love, are you okay? I mean, you can talk to me. Is everything okay?
Trust her, Galacha. I gave it back to her. She was not expecting it. I could see the shock on her face.
No, Agalacha. You shouldn't have done that. You shouldn't have.
Ha! You mean I should have allowed that small rat insult me just because she's a princess?
That's not what I mean. At least you should have done it for my sake. You know full well that I've been trying so hard to get them to like me. The last thing I want is for any of my friends to fall out with them.
Being soft is not the way to change things. I blame you for letting things get out of control.
You blame me?
Yes! When you married the king, everything was alright. So how did things get this bad?
That's not true, my dear friend. Things have never been better. I have known no peace ever since I decided to become the king's wife. No peace at all.
Ogusi, as my little way of contributing to your life, I have decided to make you wife to the king. No, don't be surprised. The late Lolo has been mourned completely. And there is nothing preventing the king from picking another wife. And as you know, he is not expected to be without a wife for a very long time. Therefore, I am going to present you as that wife that he is going to marry, because I am convinced you have all it takes to be in that position.
That would be good. But how can that ever happen?
The question is, would you want to be remembered in history as Lolo Ogosi of Umobejele Kingdom?
Of course, Onowu. I will be delighted to be the wife of the king.
So shall it be. The king trusts me so much. And I am going to present you to him. And trust me, he is going to make you his wife. I am certain you wouldn't want to disappoint me.
No, of course I will never disappoint you, no. But then, do you think the king will accept a poor orphan like me as a wife?
That she's an orphan is not my problem, father.
Likewise, not my problem. I mean, you know what's not to judge people by problems that are beyond them.
What then is your problem with this beautiful maiden that I want to marry?
I personally cannot explain why my spirit is kicking against you marrying that woman. But she is not right for you, father.
And I'm particularly insisting that you suspend your quest to marry this maiden, father. She seems a gold digger to me. Let's observe her the more.
I don't appreciate the way you talk about her. I am a king. I have personally observed her for some time, and I am certain that she is right for me.
She is not the right one for you, father. You cannot marry that woman.
That is not in your place to decide. I am sorry.
Father, you are better than this. You could have made a better choice.
When you have not managed to tell me why you are kicking against the choice that I have made? Listen, the Onowu in his wisdom introduced that maiden to me, and I have come to like her.
Father, you need a noble woman. An influential woman with class, and not that one with a demeaning, sultry kind of aura.
Demeaning, sultry kind of aura? Did you just qualify my wife to be with those words? Those adjectives?
Father, do you know what this choice you're trying to make makes of mother? It belittles her completely.
Oh, keep your mother out of this. She never looked down on anyone.
Unfortunately, we can't, father. If anything, whoever should replace mother should be at least have her standard, or better than her. It's not this one you're trying to force on us.
Listen, Ogosi. This is not enough for you to feel bad or cry. It is not.
You needed to see all the terrible things they said about me. No, I feel very bad. I feel very bad.
Whatever thing they say or whatever thing they are doing, has it in any way affected the way the king sees you? Is he treating you any differently now?
No, but...
There are no bets. The important thing is that you are there as his wife. His children are only kids. Whatever thing they are doing is not your business. You are married to the king and his children are just but kids. I can tell you authoritatively that they don't have what it takes to influence the decision of the king of Umobejele Kingdom.
But we also need their approval. We're all going to live in the same palace anyway.
Can you forget those people and concentrate on your husband? That is the most important thing. When they discover that their father is not budging, they will have no other option than to accept you. Listen, the king loves you. And I am in a position to confirm to you that he cannot do without you. I know that. Therefore, you continue being a good wife. And then you start preparing for your traditional marriage that we are planning to finalize. Okay? And don't bother yourself with this nonsense. Please.
And the king defied his children and proceeded to marry Ogosi. The resistance from the children has continued as she labors to win their love.
I can see you are having a good time.
Did you miss your way?
I came to see you as family. We have to start understanding ourselves under a relaxed atmosphere.
Family? I'm sure if I ask you to define family, you'll make a total fool of yourself.
I'm already married into this family. When do we start settling into this reality?
Gosi, what exactly do you want here? What exactly do you want?
I have come to spend some time with you in order to get to know ourselves better. That if you don't mind.
We mind, so get out and get lost.
You will need all that time to get to know the man you got married to better, not his children.
I know, but
but. We don't want to talk to you. Go. Get lost.
No.
Now. Family. She must be dreaming.
The audacity to even show her face here.
I thought things will improve. But with every passing day, they got worse.
You don't say. Ogosi, you mean those rascals have been treating you like that?
For close to 1 year now, my good friend, I do not have peace in my marriage. No single moment of peace or happiness.
Ogosi.
That is why I have decided not to let go for Ogoko.
I'm sad hearing this. But why did you keep it from me? Do you know we're talking about your future here? Do you know that if you do not handle this now, you will eventually lose your place in that palace?
What do you want me to do? I don't want to make things worse by being hostile. I rely so much on the king to handle it. But he's not putting much effort.
You mean he's comfortable with the situation?
I know of a few times that he tried talking to them. But honestly, I think he could do better.
He's the king and also their father. He should be able to make them do what he wants. What rubbish. How could he allow his children insult a beautiful young woman that warms his bed every night? Anyway, now that I know about it, things must change for good. I will handle this the Agalacha way. Trust me.
What do you want to do?
I will think of a good plan. Hey! What rubbish. Look at that small, tiny
Little rats.
God Ozinne, is she better than you if royalty is taken from her? She's lucky I did not know about this when we met. I would have done much worse than I did. Rubbish. Nonsense.
Please, it's alright. Please, can you help me call Ogogo?
Eh? Your house is on fire and you're busy chasing rats?
I need him now, Nagalacha. He's the only one that calms me down when I'm stressed like this. And please, also help me tell him that I have the money I promised him. I think that will make him come faster.
Nobody turns down the deity of Umuitem. Don't they know?
The husband is in support, but the wife does not. That is why it is difficult. Please. No. Please. Please, do not bring down the wrath of the deity upon her, please.
She defied the deity, and she must pay accordingly.
Yes, we know, but let us give her some time. Please, she will have a rethink, I believe so. Don't forget she is one of us. Please. Why do people bring misfortune upon themselves? Why? Just a stamp of this on the ground, that woman's life would have changed for bad. Why?
Did I hear you say that it is an honor?
Yes, of course. It's an honor for a maiden to be married to the deity.
What is the honor in being in a kind of marriage where you're not married to any man, but to all the men that pleases the deity? Why do you exchange stares? Answer my question. How can a man comfortably give away his daughter to be offered to any man that pleases the deity? What kind of marriage is that?
That's our tradition. Except you are telling me that our tradition is bad.
You just said it yourself. You just said it yourself. Listen, my daughter will go into a proper marriage. The one she will know and live with just that man she's married to.
You see? You see what I told you? Your sister is bent on bringing down the wrath of the gods upon my household.
Marriage is not by force. Marriage is not by force. Let the deity look somewhere else. My daughter is not available. I've said it already, and I mean it.
Whoever made women the decision makers in marriage issues never knew that some stubborn women will eventually come into existence. Your sister, my wife, is one of them.
That is the tradition of Umuitem, and we cannot change it. It is better we focus on things that we can change.
That tradition has got to change. The time has come.
You will agree with me that it is easier to find a way to change your wife's mind than change the age-long tradition.
Hey! You think this is a joke?
Of course it's a joke. My own Ogugua. You are joking.
Machi, I am not joking. I saw them. Not just once.
What will my own man be doing with that woman?
He is still there as we speak. I only came to tell you because I've seen both of you countless times. I assume you're going out with me. Machi.
Yes?
Yes. You promised not to mention my name, right?
Yes, I did.
Thank you.
Right.
Very important. You know, I don't want my good deeds to turn against me.
No, it's okay.
I'll see you some other time.
Alright, bye-bye. Where is he? Where is he? What are you? A human being. The question should be, who am I and not what am I?
I just didn't think a human being would come into my compound barking like a dog.
Hey. Okay, I will take that insult. But I want you to stay away from my man. Stay away from my man. You had the best of men during your own time. Or is it my fault that you could not get any of them to marry you?
Hey, there's nothing Agalacha will not see in this kingdom. Yeah.
What did you just say?
Biko Chiri, who is this your man that you think Agalacha will be interested in?
Ogugwa is a man. And I understand he has been coming to see you in this hut that you have turned into a den for unfortunate men.
Who is Ogugwa? Is that the name of a person or an animal?
Hey, it's nice to know that you're also interested in animals. Ogugwa is a man, and a strong man at that. Or you want to pretend you don't know him? You want to pretend? Did he not come to visit you in this hall today? Did he not?
Look, I am seriously beginning to lose my temper. And if I lose it completely, somebody will get seriously injured. So you better get out of this place.
I am going to leave. I will leave, but it's not over yet. It is not over. Stay away from my man. I will leave. Stay away from my man. Stay away from my man. Let me.
You should have waited and I would have beaten you like the child that you are.
Agade Kwenka. Old woman that will not leave her age. Stay away from my man. You hear me? I'll come back for you. I will definitely come back for you. Old woman that will not leave her age.
Hey! Hey! There is nothing Agalacha will not see in this kingdom. And where did that one come from to come here and insult me?
What do you have to say?
I don't know that lady. Yes.
Ogugwa.
I am serious. I'm not seeing another woman apart from you. This must be a setup.
Hey, there is nothing that Agalacha will not see in this kingdom. Where did this thing come from now to insult me? Hey!
What was that all about?
Ask me. It's one silly maiden that came here to bark like a dog, claiming that Ogugwa is her man.
Ogugwa? How did she know that Ogugwa is here?
Ask me. She must have seen us coming in here and automatically thinks that I have something to do with him. Bia, Ogugwa, you need to call off your dogs, tame them, because I will not have anybody coming in here to insult me. Do you understand?
I don't know where that maiden came from. I swear. Sometimes I think you have a tracking device that enables you know when to find me.
And why would you think that?
I am just coming back and here you are.
I see.
I need to go and take my bath. I will be with you. You don't look your best.
How am I supposed to look my best with all the rumors flying around the kingdom? I asked you a question. I asked you if there was another woman and you said no. And even if you change your mind to get another one, why does it have to be that old woman? What happened to all the young maidens in this village?
What are you talking about? What rumor and what older woman?
Everybody knows how irresponsible and wayward Agalacha is. Agalacha wasted her youth messing around with men. What do you find attractive in such a woman?
What rubbish are you talking about? What will I be doing with Agalacha?
Were you not in her hut today?
In her hut doing what? What will I be doing in Agalacha's hut? Machi, I ask you a question. What will I be doing in Agalacha's hut?
But I was told you were there today, and today is not just the first time you have been going there. I even went there to comfort that old hag.
What? I have never been insulted this way by anyone.
But you.
I was at the farm working all day. And I just returned. Instead of my woman to give me peace and comfort, here she is, accusing me stupidly. If you don't trust me, what are we doing together? If you went there to harass that innocent woman, you owe her an apology. And I am not going to talk about how my perception of you has just changed because of this silly action.
The world is so strange, strange is the world.
What is the problem now?
I am not in the mood.
But you are always in the mood. What happened? What changed?
I am so unhappy and unsettled. It's beginning to affect my sex life.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
I am talking about the constant insults being hurled at me by your children in this palace. Their lack of acceptance and respect for me. It is beginning to wear me out. I mean, Your Highness, it is high time you did something about this. It's too much. I cannot continue to live like this.
Ogose, what else do you want me to do? Force them to love and accept you? Is that what you want me to do?
Precisely, Your Highness. That is what you're expected to do as their father.
In as much as I would love to do that, you should understand that they are adults. They have minds of their own.
I insist. Your Highness, I still insist that it's your duty to make your children understand what I mean to you.
Listen, they don't have to accept you. Yes, you are married to me and not to them. I love and accept you. Please, just ignore them.
I am sorry I cannot ignore them. Even if I try to, I cannot. We all live in the same palace. I mean, I cannot be living in an environment filled with so much hatred. I was never brought up like that.
Okay, I will try and talk to them. I promise. I cross my heart. Now, you make me happy now?
I'm sorry, Your Highness. I don't see that happening. I am so distracted and sad.
Please, you let's do this to me, please. Yes, we have gone through this a number of times. But nothing has changed, hence we are at it again.
With due respect, Father, and for I can't remember how many times now, we do not owe your wife a duty of love and closeness. She's your wife. You owe her that.
But I am your father. We are supposed to be one family.
You, the princess, and I are the family I know.
Ogose is my wife. If you consider me family, you must consider our one as well.
As it's written in your book, yours alone, not mine. You chose her. You love her. Fine, so be with her.
Come on,
but
son.
Please do not involve us.
Oh, come on, son. Don't I deserve to be happy?
Of course you do. You deserve to be happy with your young wife. whom, unfortunately, I cannot trust.
Can you do me the favor of forgetting whatever you believe she was and judge her based on who she is now? If you do that, you will discover how wonderful she is. Can you do that for me?
Father, you have made your choice. You made your choice by getting married to a woman you claimed you love. Against our wish. Can you please stick to that choice and leave us out of it?
Okay. Apart from the fact that you think that she is not deserving of me, what else has she done wrong? Exactly. Nothing. You don't have anything against her. You just don't want your father to be happy. And that hurts me. It really hurts me.
I'm sorry you're hurt, Father, but...
The only way to prove that you're sorry is for you and your sister to stop hurting me. What would it take for you to accept the good woman the gods have blessed me with after the death of your mother? What?
I'm sure she made him confront you again. I mean, what can she not make him do?
You should have seen how mad he was. At some point, he tried to weaken me with sentiments.
That strategy will not work. Somebody should go tell him that.
But what exactly has she done wrong? I may be wrong anyway, but Ogosi really looks nice from a distance.
From a distance, maybe. And you know you shouldn't interfere in matters that have nothing to do with you or your relationship with the prince.
I'm sorry, my princess, if I upset you.
You shouldn't be sorry. Just mind your business.
My prince, I think you should focus on making the king happy. He has been a good father to you and the princess. You don't have to be all over Ogosi. But we don't have to be too nasty to her, at least. For the king's sake and for the sake of peace.
The world is so strange, strange is the world. Where's it come?
Your refusal is baseless and you know that.
That is what you think. But I know exactly what I'm doing.
What are you doing? You keep saying, I know what I'm doing. What are you doing? Listen, nobody has turned down the proposal of the deity. It has never happened in this kingdom and you are not going to be the first person to make it happen.
Then let me be the first. Let me be the first in history. Because I know that that is not the path meant for my daughter.
Which path is meant for your daughter? As wife to the deity, listen to me. As wife to the deity, she will automatically bring honor to your family. She will equally bring riches. Because she owns whatever any man or a woman brings to the shrine.
What about her life? What honor does she bring herself? What is the honor in living your life to satisfy as many men as please the deity? Let me ask you. Is that the kind of marriage you as a young man would want for your daughter?
Talking about the man. If she is wife to the deity, she has the right to any man she wants. She has the right to choose any man and equally change any man at all. Listen to me. No man can see the woman in her without her permission. Any man that does that, the deity will strike the man dead and wipe away his family.
Until you become a parent, you will never be in a position to tell me to give out my only daughter into such a marriage.
Are you listening to yourself? Are you listening to yourself talk this rubbish? Are you trying to tell me you want to stand in the way of the deity?
Listen, you can draw whatever conclusion you want. But as far as I'm concerned, I want my daughter to go into proper marriage. I want her to be able to say that this man here is my husband. And I also want to look at someone and say, that's my son-in-law. That is the kind of marriage I want for my daughter. And that is exactly what it is going to be.
Listen, let me tell you. I came here because I have been friends with your family for long.
Do not allow the calamity of the deity to befall you.
Thank you. But the gods will not allow any calamity to befall us. Because marriage will never and has never been by force to men or to the deity.
The world is so strange, strange is the world.
Nonsense.
It blows like the wind. If you do good on earth, good will follow you. If you do bad on earth, you will get your reward.
In my next life, you will still be my mother.
What explanation do you have for this? Dragging me out in front of my mother like a thief.
You should be happy I did not tell her what a bad gossip you have become in this kingdom.
What was that for me? No, did you just refer to me as a village gossip?
What did you hope to achieve by telling me that my man is going out with Agalacha?
Are you okay? Why did I say that?
What?
I never said Ogugwa is going out with Agalacha. I never said that.
Hey, are you going to stand here and deny to my face what you told me just yesterday?
Listen, I'm sure you misunderstood me. I only said I have seen Ogugwa at Agalacha's hut a countless number of times.
What is the difference? You simply implied that he is going out with her.
No! You got the wrong impression. I did not say Ogugwa goes to Agalacha's hut to see Agalacha. It's possible he goes there to see someone he cannot visit her hut, who in return cannot visit his hut.
What nonsense are you talking about?
Unfortunately, I cannot call names. But Machi, you have to open your eyes to see what is happening under your nose. Obioma, I am not a gossip. Everything I say, I know.
You know what? I am done talking to you. But stay away from my man and I. And keep whatever you think you know to yourself.
See, Agaracha never goes wrong with her plans.
And to think that I never thought of that strategy. You are too much.
Please tell me all about it. How did it go?
Like you said, I should not let him touch me. So I did not allow him to sleep with me. And I equally made sure I put that on the sour relationship I have with his children.
And how did he react?
He was hurt, obviously. I could see he was aroused. But I did not care. All I was waiting for was how he was going to face his children in the morning. And he did not disappoint me. Because he had a meeting with his son this morning.
And did that yield any fruits?
I wouldn't know yet, but I'm hoping he does. I know my husband very well. He's a dog. And whatever denies him of his satisfaction, he will sure fight. I know him.
See? This is just the beginning.
Yes.
You have to be strong. You keep denying him of that pleasure until the desired result is gotten.
What were you thinking? That I would go halfway and stop? Of course not. I will continue until this rubbish stops. What is all this? Worst come to worst, I have Ogugwa to always satisfy me when I need it.
Good. You have to secure your place in that palace. If for nothing, then for the children you will have there.
You have not answered my question. Why did you say that?
Mother, I heard everything. I did.
I know that I have not asked for your opinion on this matter. But trust me, Whatever I decide is for your own good.
Is that not why I said you're the best?
No woman should be subjected to such a ridiculous marriage. You can stand where maidens are standing. You have all it takes to attract all eyes. You deserve the best, my child.
I stand with you on your decision, Mother. I do not wish to be married to the deity. I was scared that you would succumb to the pressure. But as you have decided to go all out for me, I will go all out with you.
You did not even ask for our opinion.
That is because her opinion, just like yours, does not count.
Because tradition has left you with the responsibility as far as the marriage of your daughter is concerned, does that mean you want to sideline the one that is directly involved?
Ukwe is young. She knows nothing about marriage. And so is incapable of making any decision, even if I want her to.
At least, hear from her. Know what she has to say. She has a right to this discussion with you.
I will not discuss it with her. That is my decision.
I know. You are not convinced you are making the right decision for her. You fear that she may want this, and you do not want to add to the guilt you already have by shutting her up to the guilt you already have. Nandema, you are just being selfish. I keep wondering when you have become this kind of woman I can hardly recognize. Tradition has made you the head as far as the marriage of your daughter is concerned. That does not mean you should not keep her involved. She has a right to make her own decision as far as this issue is concerned. Why don't you hear from her?
You don't know how relieved I am to hear you say that.
I have had sleepless nights, Mother, thinking that you will bend with the pressure. Please, Mother, stand your ground. Stand your ground. Stand your ground, Mother. I want to be married to a proper man. I want to have a normal life like my peers.
Come, it's okay. Get up. Get up. It's okay. Get up. Sit. Listen. I make you a promise today that I shall give my life first before I subject you to any ridiculous marriage.
Mother,
I made that clear to the messenger as well.
will you get to that? Giving your life?
No one knows. Because nobody has ever rejected the chief priest's marriage proposal. But it should not be. Because marriage has always been a thing of choice.
Thank you very much, Mother. You don't know how happy I am knowing that you will not change your mind on this. It means life to me.
It's okay. Come on, stop. It's okay.
Ogugua, I have been standing here pleading for a while, talking. Yet you have refused to say a word to me. Ogugua, my love, I said I am sorry. I'm sorry, please forgive me.
That you are sorry does not change the fact that you insulted me and you don't trust me. See, Mma, I am tired of your constant accusations. If I don't come to see you when you want me to, you will suspect me. If I go to the farm without you, you suspect that I went with another maiden. You suspect everything that I do.
My love, is it my fault that you're wanted by every maiden? And I'm sure they want you.
And I am senseless to go after every maiden that comes my way. Including that old woman, Agalacha. That's very insulting.
I know. That's why I said I am sorry. I was just overtaken by jealousy. See, I promise it will never repeat itself again. Please. Forgive me. Or do you like it that I've been kneeling down here begging you all day?
Well, I didn't ask you to kneel down, but I can't deny that it makes me feel better.
So, have you forgiven me now?
Partially.
Partially? What?
I am going to tell you what to do so that the forgiveness will be total.
Anything. Just tell me anything and I will do it. Please, my love, you know I love you so much.
Ma, and I love you too. I love you so much. I promise that I will never hurt you. I will never hurt you by going after another woman. It's a promise.
Alright.
Please. Don't be jealous, my friend. It's only a matter of time and yours will happen.
As for me, I can no longer wait for this royal marriage. I'm running out of patience.
You have to be ready to wait. Because as far as I'm concerned, the prince is not making any marriage plans at the moment.
Please, I don't like to hear that. Does he want you to turn out as another Galacha in Umebejili?
The gods forbid. No one should ever wish to end up like a Galasha.
I am standing before you too. And the Agalacha we're talking about happens to be my mother's sister.
Oh, that totally escaped me. Apologies.
Not accepted.
Whatever. But Oledo, what's the cause of the delay? Is it that the prince is incapable of paying your bride price? And you've been with him for too long now?
With all the commotion going on at the palace, I certainly do not think the prince is in the right frame of mind to think of marriage.
What commotion are we talking about?
Ever since Ogusi was married into the royal family, it has been war between her and the king's children.
You don't say.
My dear, I'm telling you the truth. The prince and the princess refuse to accept her, and that has been tearing the family apart. Even though I think they're trying to keep it under wraps among them.
Why is it? I mean, is Ogosi such a bad person?
That is what they believe. Although, I don't think she's such a bad choice for the king. I don't think. Anyway, let's continue our discussion about your upcoming wine carrying ceremony.
Yes.
Okay, I am not comfortable with this at all.
Me too.
Well, not in the same way with you. This can be disastrous. Your mother's decision.
It cannot be that bad.
How would you know that? We're talking about our great deity here.
And we're equally talking about my life here.
It's not that you're going to be sold off or something. You become the second most important person in our land after the priests. Your family will be well taken care of. And they will know no lack all the days of their lives.
Enough, Chetana. Enough. Are you not supposed to be my friend? Are you not supposed to stand by me?
I am your friend. And I am supposed to look out for you. And that is exactly what I am doing right now. You have nothing to lose being married to the deity. But you stand a chance of losing a lot by refusing.
Like you already know, my mother makes the decision here and not me.
Your mother is refusing because she certainly thinks it is the best for you. If you persuade her, she would certainly change her mind.
I will do no such thing.
Wait, you...
Please, Chetana. This is the end of this discussion.
Really?
Yes.
Did you keep any bushmeat for me or you sold off everything?
You can go to the kitchen and meet my mother.
Whatever.
Now you've succeeded in bringing me to your hut. Can I go back to mine now? Greetings, Nine.
Go back to where?
My hut, of course.
Chetana, I already told you how this will happen. You follow me to the stream, and then when I come back, I'll follow you to go check your trap.
But Ukwe.
But what? Let me go get my pot.
But I did not promise to go with you to the stream today. Do not do this to me, please.
Chetana, if you want to get me angry, take one step backward.
Nine, you and your gun. Greetings once again.
I am sure you are aware that the chief priest wants to make my daughter the wife of the deity.
Yes. She told me about it.
And you are going to...
Yes, but Nai was about telling me something before you came.
Oh, okay.
We can have that discussion some other time. You can go now.
Greetings, my princess.
What do you want?
A lady is here to see you. She is in the palace.
Who is she?
I don't know. She's a lady you love to see. Can I bring her in?
Go.
Greetings, my princess.
Who are you?
My name is Obioma. I'm a concerned maiden of Umobojili Kingdom. I am here to see you for a crucial matter.
Go on.
My princess, I want to discuss it in private.
So what is it? It better be important.
Trust me, it will be.
Go on.
I don't understand you. Why are you so concerned about this?
Should I not be?
Of course you should not. And your concern is actually beginning to irritate me.
Really?
Yes. The other day you went on and on about it. I simply chose to ignore you.
I'm sorry if I irritate you by talking about this. I just want you to be happy.
Oledu, I am happy.
No, you are not. Who is happy when there is no peace in his life? But that is the truth. You cannot claim to be happy when your father, for one, is not happy. Likewise, his wife.
I don't know what you're talking about, but I am happy. And honestly, I think it's about time we focused on our own relationship and stop discussing my father's marriage. What is this?
Any plans for your own marriage? Is that something you want us to talk about?
Are you free?
Yes.
Now there's something very important I would like to talk to you about. Can you please come with me?
Okay, fine. Excuse me.
The world is so strange, strange is the world.
Mazi, I don't think this discussion is necessary.
I will not be here if it is not. I ask again. You are very close to my daughter, right?
Once again, yes. Ukwe and I are very good friends.
And have you thought that you may be the one reason she has failed to listen to me and get her mother approve her marriage to the deity?
I don't see how. I am in support of the proposed marriage. I've tried talking to her, but obviously she has a mind of her own.
Now, let me clearly state my mission. Leave my daughter alone! Stay away from her and let her tow the path of her destiny!
I honestly don't understand you, Nai.
I am not stopping her from making any decision.
My plan was to be nice. Obviously, it is not working. Let me speak the language you will understand.
You have no reason to go insult that young man. What has he got to do with anything?
When he's frolicking with your daughter, and you're asking him what he has got to do with anything?
Chetana is Ukwe's best friend. They've been friends in childhood. And I can vouch, even on my life, that theirs is true friendship, void of anything stupid.
Darling, thank you very much, Mama. Please remind him. See how he has gone to embarrass and threaten the innocent boy.
Will you shut up and get out of that place?
Papa, don't do this again. It's not fair. Eh? Stop involving Chetana in this. He has got nothing to do with anything.
You see? You see what you have done? Our daughter could speak to me in that manner, all because of you. Do you see it?
If you had not needlessly gone to harass her friend, she would not have spoken to you in this way.
And if you have needlessly done the right thing, would I have gone to speak to that young man?
I am doing the right thing. It may not seem right to you, but I know that I'm doing the right thing.
Woman, why are you bent on bringing destruction upon us?
If I'm doing the wrong thing, the gods must have struck by now. They are not that patient.
Indeed. Now, do you know the amount of sacrifice I have been making at the shrine since the messenger visited? Do you know the reason the gods have not struck, like you said, is because I have been appeasing them, pending when your senses return?
Well, I never asked you to go make sacrifice on my behalf. All I know is that marriage is by choice and not by force. The gods know that too.
I'm going to present a summary of everything you have said to me so that you will understand that I heard you very well.
Well, I don't think you heard me. Else this will definitely not be your countenance.
Stop this, princess. You know me too well, and you know I'm real. You met a certain maiden who told you that Ogusi, the wife of the king, sneaks out of the palace to go meet some irresponsible woman. Is that it?
And you're going to dismiss that as nothing? Look, the maiden who told me has a name, and her name is Obioma.
And what pedigree does this maiden have to tell you that somebody sneaks out of the palace to go do something irresponsible? What does she even know about irresponsibility?
Well, the maiden here is not the point. The point is that woman her father married is irresponsible. She's not good for the king. Everybody here knows about it.
Too long. Who is this person that the princess took him to see? Why did she not bring the person here instead?
The king. The king has another maiden for the prince.
Princess Ozine does not exactly like me. What if she is with the king on that? What if the so-called princess came in while I was with the prince? And Princess Ozine is hiding her in her chamber and has actually taken the prince to see her. Oledo, will you sit down here and let the most precious gift you have slip off your hands?
Wait, let me break this down for myself. You said this woman, what name did you call her?
Agalacha, my prince.
Agalacha happens to be your aunt. And she's irresponsible. That's why she never got married. Now Ogusi hangs out with her. And that is bad for the king, right?
Yes, exactly, my prince.
How is that your problem?
Prince, why are you being ashona? Poor maiden means well.
I don't think so. First, her visit to this palace and this information is pointless. Second, she has no right whatsoever to meddle in the affairs of the royal family. Now you listen to me. You will leave this place and let this be the first and the last time you will ever meddle in our affairs. Is that clear?
Yes, my princess.
Out!
I'm sorry.
I'm disappointed in you for even condoning such rubbish.
Uzondo, we're looking for a chance to justify our stand, and you just blew it.
You want to prove a point to father by stooping low to the level of village gossips. Ozinne, do not let Ogosi make you forget who you are.
The world is so strange, strange is the world.
Who in this kingdom does not know the relationship between Chitana and I?
That my father will go and accuse him just like that.
What other option do you leave the poor man with? I don't understand. If you had not been on your mother's side in this issue, your father would not have had a reason to misinterpret your friendship with Chetana. Listen, Ndidi. My mother has the sole power to make this decision. And because I cannot force her to change her mind, that does not give my father the right to go and harass Chetana, who is like a brother to me. You all know that. But he's not your brother, is he? I won't have this argument with you. Me neither.
Okwe, I think you do not understand the point Ndidi here is trying to make. Yes, your mother makes the decision, but we all know that you are happy with her stand.
And what is wrong with that anyway?
That knowledge will only make us stand strong on our decision.
But that is exactly what I want. Oh, what were you made in thinking? Were you actually thinking that I will want to be married to the deity?
What do you have to lose anyway? Have you thought about all you have to gain? Look, Okwe, your life and that of your entire family will forever be transformed for good.
Exactly the point I'm trying to make.
Oh.
Listen to me, Okukwe. I am not interested in the wealth. Neither is my mother. If it matters so much to both of you, why don't you go and throw yourself at the chief priest here? There's no reason staying here with you girls. I'll see you around. Oh?
Sorry I kept you waiting.
Is everything okay?
Yes, she just wanted to show me something.
Okay. I should be going.
Now? I thought you were going to stay for supper.
I wish I could, but I cannot do that today.
Alright, I'll see you off then.
No, you don't have to bother yourself about that. I will just go.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I'm sorry I made you sad. Listen, Uzin, we are respected in this kingdom. And we don't want to lose that respect by getting involved with all manners of people. It is not good for the family. Moreover, people have no business knowing that we are not good with Ogosi. It is not good for the royal family.
They already know. Because she goes about with a big loud mouth talking to everybody that cares to listen.
And that's because she doesn't have royal blood flowing in her veins. But you and I are different. We know better. We must not let people know. That's very important to us. I've been meaning to tell you something. I think this is the right time. I have decided to stay away from Ogosi and whatever concerns her.
What do you mean by that? Have you been involved with her before now?
Yes, we have. We could not dissuade father from getting married to her. Why do you think we can do that now that they're already married?
That's because we could not come up with a tangible reason other than she's not fit for father. And that's why the information that Maiden was trying to give would have been very, very, very useful.
We don't have to accept Ogosi. But we can ignore her and whatever she does with father and focus on our lives.
Are things that bad now?
Well, I believe he's been getting all my messages. But it has not been easy for me.
The urges come more for now, right?
Of course, I'm human. Don't even know why he has chosen to travel at this point. Did he tell you when he'll be coming back?
No, he didn't.
Oh, I'm badly now. I feel like I'm losing my mind.
I think you should think less of Ogugwa and focus on what you're trying to achieve in the palace.
But I also have sexual urge to quench. Human. And that is where Ogugwa comes in. What are you saying?
So are you serious about this?
I have never been more serious about anything.
So you want me to tell her that you have traveled out of the kingdom?
Precisely. And that I will be gone for a long while.
This will be hard for her.
Agalacha, it has not been easy for me. Yes, she gives me gifts, money and other things. But it has not been easy for me having an affair with the king's wife.
Who used to be your woman? Don't forget to add that.
Ogosi and I were trying to build our relationship before she ran off to marry the king. She's his wife now. I don't feel too good about what I am doing with her. Moreover, I need to build a relationship with a maiden that I can have a future with. Please, tell her that I'm not around when she asks you to come get me.
That can only work for a while.
We can start from there. She can't come to my hut. She totally depends on you.
Well, if that's what you want, then so be it.
Thank you so much.
There's something I think you need to do.
What?
Forget about Ogugwa. Yes, you should do that.
Why?
Because what you're doing with him is not right.
Oh, really? Are you just realizing that?
No, I am not. But I can't keep that fact from you anymore. What you're doing with him is morally wrong.
You want to tell me about morality now? You, Agalacha. Wonderful. You have done well. Nice.
Agalacha lived a very bad life. And is probably still doing so. But that does not mean I don't know what is right or wrong. I just chose not to care.
And so have I chosen not to care. Ogugwa is the only man that makes me happy. And that is what matters to me. Nothing more. And to think that you're dishing out this your morality advice now that I'm no longer intimate with my husband is wonderful. You have done well.
Well, at least I tried to warn you.
Warn me about what?
Nothing. It's your life. So you can live it as you choose.
I will leave it. What?
You sneaky cat.
How worse can today be for me? Oledo, what makes me a sneaky cat?
Did I hear you ask how worse they can get for you?
Yes, because I just had a bad day and I want to go home and rest.
I'm sorry to hear you had a bad day. May I ask if this bad day has anything to do with your visit to the palace? You are my friend, and I know what a sneaky gossip and a liar you are. Don't even try to deny this one, because I was at the palace just now.
You were?
Yes. I saw you with Prince Ozondo and Princess Ozinne. And as I stand before you, my brain is tired trying to figure out what business you have with them. So please, fill me in.
Oledo, my visit to the palace has nothing to do with you. Please, I am very tired and I want to go home and rest. Please.
Not until you tell me what you were at the palace for.
But I just told you it has nothing to do with you.
Obioma, you are supposed to be my friend. I just saw you with my man and his sister. And you are telling me that it has nothing to do with me.
Oledo, honestly, my visit to the palace has nothing to do with you. But if it will come between us as friends, then I will tell you.
Please do.
No, I won't tell you. It has nothing to do with you and it will not come between us as friends. I have to go. Are you really serious about not coming with me?
I made myself clear to you, dear sister.
Why? Why are you doing this? I mean, we're supposed to be together on this.
Not on this, my dear sister.
Why? What's the difference?
It's childish.
No, it's not.
Now look at it this way. You walk up to Father and you tell him, Father, I do not approve of your wife, not only because she doesn't befit you, but because she hangs out with an irresponsible woman. How does that sound to you?
You know what? You don't have to come with me, but please don't annoy me with your attitude.
I didn't mean to annoy you. I'm only saying do not go before Father and embarrass yourself. That is it.
It's a bad idea.
I don't care.
Whatever.
Your Highness, you sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit down. Ozinne, you said you wanted to sit.
Really? Yes, she couldn't stand sitting beside me. How nice.
Now don't lose your mind out of excitement. This is not a friendly meeting.
And I hope this is not a deliberate call for you to insult me the more. Because I will not take it this time. I will not. My king, please, what is this all about?
Can you?
I want you to tell this man you claim you love, your husband. Please kindly tell him if you know anything about a woman called Agalacha. No comment. Don't worry, I will help you. Father, this woman you call a wife, she has been hanging out with a notorious woman known for a wayward lifestyle.
I don't understand.
What exactly do you not understand, Father? That this woman you married is in your life to ruin it. Because she's classless and know nothing about royalty. To top it all, her integrity and morality is to be questioned.
Why was I stupid not to know that this meeting will end this way? For a moment I thought my words of advice got to you.
Father, when exactly are you going to realize that you made a mistake by marrying this thing?
Now listen and listen very good, Ozinne. I've had enough of your madness in this palace. I've kept mute all along because I respect my husband who happens to be the king of this kingdom. Now listen, I am telling you to your face right now that the next time you try to make my life uncomfortable in my own husband's house, I will make your life worthless. You will see the other side of me. I promise you that. Rubbish.
Oh.
Father, you're just laughing. You watched her insult me and you're just laughing.
My dear, I have sat down here and watched you talk to her in a more demeaning way. My joy is that she's finally standing up to you. I think it's high time you let her be.
And you're saying she's your friend?
Yes.
So how come I've never seen both of you together?
Well, Obioma is my friend from a distance. She talks too much, so I try not to be too close with her.
If you do bad on earth, you will get your reward.
I can tell it didn't go well.
Such infantry, such gods. Nobody has ever spoken to me in that manner before. Worst of it, father was there and he said nothing.
I told you. You create this kind of situation for yourself when you listen to some random maiden whom Oledo here has confirmed talks too much.
Are we talking about Obioma? What did she say to you?
Do you know her?
Well enough to know that she's bound to lose her life to gossip and pock-nosing.
I want to see her.
No, you don't. And you won't.
Take me to her.
She's not taking you anywhere. You listen to me. Okay? Why can't you just let this go? Stop this nonsense. Ignore Ogosi. Act as though she doesn't exist. I am speaking to you in my capacity as the Prince of Umobejili. And that which I have just said must be obeyed.
Great one. I have once again come to appease the deity of my forefathers. Please, do not turn me down. I am helpless in this matter. I can only appeal to the deity while I wait for my wife to come back to her senses.
The deity can no longer be appeased.
Great one. Please, on my behalf, appeal to the deity. My daughter is his, and that will happen sooner than later.
Your family members have ridiculed the deity, and your wife takes a huge chunk of the blame.
I know, but she is only a woman. These things are not very clear to her.
Do not defend her. She is a daughter of the soil, and she knows the tradition. Go home.
I am scared, my in-law. I am very scared.
You have done nothing wrong. So why should you be?
This is my family that we are talking about.
But you are not responsible for the decisions. I don't even know why you are bothered about making those sacrifices.
Unadozie, how could you say such a thing? This could go very bad on us.
For Nedima, not for you or any other person.
Unadozie, this is your sister we are talking about, and you are not bothered?
My only stubborn sister, who believes she knows better than any other person. Always remember that. I don't even know what you want me to do.
Unadozie, I want you to help me talk to her. Please, Bikonu.
What else am I going to say to her that I have not told her already? She has a mind of her own and will not do anything unless she convinces herself that it's the right thing to do.
Why would this come upon me? Where have I gone wrong?
Go home, my in-law, and rest. Let's continue to pray for her, that she convinces herself that it's the wrong thing that she's doing before it is too late.
I'm surprised you finally brought me here. Must we do this?
Don't you think it's rather too late to be asking that question? I want to see that maiden, and I want to see her right now.
Don't forget what your brother said.
Forget about what my brother said. He said what he said in his capacity as the prince. I am ordering you, in my capacity as the princess of this kingdom. I want to see that maiden right now. I order you. Quickly, you were trying to tell me something. What did you say Ogosi goes to that woman's hut to do?
Princess, I don't know. I only told you she's friends with her. I don't understand what you mean by what she goes there to do.
You think I'm stupid? I know you were trying to tell me something the other day, but you didn't want to say, and of course I didn't pressure you for reasons best known to me.
My princess, please. I think we should just leave it like that, please.
You think I left the comfort of my chambers to come listen to you tell me this nonsense? Tell me what I want to hear.
My princess, I already told you everything I know.
Where does she live? I'm sure it won't be hard for you to describe her hut to me. Go on.
In one very short sentence, what have you come here to do?
A fool is someone who has problems, but doesn't realize it. And he or she is out there to serve others. Haven't you realized you're a fool?
So does it mean that your mother's death affected you so massively? Why are you always looking for trouble?
How dare you? How dare you talk about my mother? You have no right, you're not qualified to talk about my mother.
I don't know who brought you here and exactly what you've come here to do. But I must advise you, leave right now before it gets really bad.
You know, that day I saw you, there was this thing about you. There was this evil, demonic aura about you that day. I knew it.
So you've come here to rain more insults on me, right? Do you realize I could beat you up right now?
I've come to tell you that whatever you and your stupid partner in crime, whatever you two are doing, it will soon be in the open.
Destiny blows, it blows like the wind.
I don't know what is happening, but it's not good.
Who is this maiden in question? And what do you think she knows about me?
Her name is Obioma. She is my friend, a renowned gossip. I believe she knows something about you and Agalasha. And she's all out to tell the princess what she knows.
You don't say. And to think that I don't even know who this maiden is.
But she knows you. As a matter of fact, she is Agalasha's niece. Yes. And she's all out to spill. Anyway, in a bid to help you like you asked me to, I thought you should know what is going on.
I see. Now I know better. Because I was wondering why the princess called me in the presence of the king, asking me what I have with the woman called Agalacha. Yes! Now I know better.
Ah, my Lolo. Hope you've not been here for long.
No.
Are you okay? Anyway, your stepdaughter was here today, and I'm still trying to figure out why she came.
The princess was here?
Yes. I saw her out there on my way to the market.
Something doesn't seem right, and I can feel it very well.
I feel so too. That encounter was strange. She said some crazy things and then she left.
Agalacha, you started coaching and taking care of me ever since my mother died. I trust you with my life. I trust you with my deepest secret. That is because I believe you can never hurt or betray me.
Of course I can never betray you. What is happening?
What does your niece know about us? And why I always come here?
My niece?
Yes, your niece Obioma. What does she know?
Has she gone to open her wide mouth? Hey.
Agalacha, you told your people about Ogogo and I, didn't you?
I will never do that, even if you and I stop being friends. I'm too mature and sensitive to do that. You know me. Look, I don't know what is happening or what you may have heard, but Obioma knows nothing. Trust me, I did not tell her anything.
She obviously knows something. Hence, the princess has been using her against me. You know me very well, Agalacha. I will protect my marriage with the last drop of my blood. And I'm ready to take down anyone who stands on my path, no matter who the person is. That is what I have come to tell you.
Obioma, I wonder about this. What is even wrong with her mouth? Why can she not just keep it shut? You have to leave Umwebejili right now. You have to leave before she gets you. Trust me, she will kill you. The king will support her and your helpless mother will not be able to do anything about it.
What are you saying? Who is planning to kill me?
Did I not warn you to mind your own business? Did I not warn you to leave Ogosi alone? Did you listen? No. You are busy running your mouth up. Continue talking anyhow like a fool. Now you are up against the almighty wife of the king. Eh?
Did she tell you anything?
See, I have discussed this with your mother and she knows the importance of this journey. You have to go to Imuitem and live there with Cheta's mother. Do you understand?
No. I cannot go there. I want to make somebody eat cold food. I don't want to eat cold
food. Mechanu, shut up. It is better for you to eat cold food and live than remain here and die.
You're right. It's true. Okay. I'll go. How long am I going to stay there?
You will remain there indefinitely. See, I am only doing this so that my only sister will not lose her wide-mouthed daughter. If you like, defy this advice and come back here and die. You have yourself to blame. Now, leave.
I cannot. I don't like this. Leave. Okay, come with me now.
The world is so strange. Strange is the world. Destiny blows. It blows like the wind. If you do good on earth.
Ogosi, you don't know how happy you made me by standing up to the princess today.
Thank you, Your Highness. And I meant every word of what I said to her. I will never take her insult again. Never will I.
I know. I know my daughter. She will get the message clearly.
I don't think so, Your Highness.
I know my daughter. She will.
I disagree with you. Your daughter is trying so hard to tarnish my image. She has done terrible things to me in this palace and I kept mute. But taking it out of this place is what I will not take. I will not.
Has she done anything stupid?
You'll be shocked, Your Highness. You'll be shaken to hear that your own daughter is ganking up with some maidens out there to lay a very heavy and destructive allegation against me, your wife.
But the princess barely associates with anyone in this palace. You know it.
She will bend and do that if it will take me out of your life. You'll be shocked, Your Highness. As I speak with you now, she's cooking up serious lies against me. If not that I was fortunate to have one of the maidens she planned it with tell me, I wouldn't have known.
It's okay. The good thing is that we now know about her plans. Yes, we do.
Your Highness, is that all you have to say? Your daughter is trying so hard to tarnish my reputation, and this is all you have to say?
But
really?
What else do you want me to say? She has not done it yet. And if eventually she does, I will always be there to defend you. I will.
You know what?
What?
Stay on your own.
Ogosi, but we were supposed to...
We were supposed to nothing. Nothing!
What
is wrong with you?
My legs.
Why are you on the ground? Your legs?
My legs, my legs.
What is wrong with your legs?
Hey, I just came out of the hut. Something struck me. I felt a burning sensation.
I don't believe this. Your Majesty, you are joking, right?
Oh no, I don't see how I will bring you here to make a joke about something that is supposed to be my private affair.
That means you are serious. That means you are not joking. How can Ogosi think of doing a thing like this? Is she out of her mind?
Oh no, listen. She is not only thinking of doing it. She is already doing it. In fact, she has been doing it for some time now.
Okay. What exactly did she say her problem is?
The same thing. The only problem she had always had ever since I brought her in as my wife. My children.
Your children? What is going on? No, what have your children got to do with the intimate relationship you have with your wife? What?
She thinks that I am not trying my best to force my children to love and accept her.
What nonsense. We all know you have been doing your best to move on as a family. Your children are adults and she should know that. That they have minds of their own.
Exactly my point, Ono. But she thinks otherwise. Listen, Ono. The best I can do as a human is to talk to those children, which to the best of my knowledge, I have done over and over again. I don't know what else she wants me to do. Maybe to disown my children.
You can't do a thing like that. Are you thinking of doing that? No, how can you think that? Listen to me, Your Majesty, please. Do I have your permission to come in and solve this thing my way?
Of course, yes. That is why I am telling you about it. I want you to intervene, no, because I am losing my mind already.
You are not going to lose your mind, Your Majesty. I am going to come in and I will do something. I promise.
I did not know you would be up this early, given the time you arrived last night.
Good morning, Chita.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
You should ask if I slept at all.
I will get the full details of your late night visit when I come back.
Are you going out?
Yes, to Ukwe's hut. Her mother took ill and I would pay them a visit before I go check my traps.
Please, can I go with you?
I thought someone is here to replace my mother in making meals for me, since she has gone to Junwan's house.
Talking about your mother, how long will she be there?
Given that it is Ujunwa's first child, she'll be there for long. And I hope you'll still be here when she returns.
I don't hope so.
I can see that the fear of my mother is yet to leave you.
Does she still make you eat cold food?
Obioma. My mother does not make me to eat cold food. So that incident that occurred while you were like 5 years old has not left you yet. You know what you did that led to your eating cold food. Don't blame it on my mom.
Whatever. I'll stay back and make the food. See you when you're back.
Okay. You have a nice day.
What have I brought upon myself? This is one place I hate staying. I hope this phase passes as soon as possible.
This is to be left on her for 2 days before she washes them off. And I will come back after 2 days to see how she's faring.
Thank you very much.
And she must never be allowed to go close to any kind of flame.
It's okay.
I'll be on my way now.
Thank you.
How is she doing today?
See for yourself.
Greetings, Mama.
Sure.
Ndo, sorry. Any improvements?
None that we can see. She can't even move her legs.
I heard the herbalist was here to see her.
He said he'll come back in 2 days to see how she's faring.
Okay. So how have you been coping?
Cheta, it hasn't been easy. I cannot complain.
Don't worry, Mama will be fine, okay? My cousin, Obioma, visited me last night. And she'll be staying until my mother comes back.
That's good to hear. At least you have someone to keep you company now that your mother is not around.
That's true.
You know I cannot leave the house now for any casual visits.
I understand. I was on my way to go and check my traps. Then I decided to come and see how Mama was doing today.
Thank you.
Don't worry, Mama will be fine, okay? And you try to eat, okay? Mama Ndo. Donna?
Are you not going to say anything, Oledo?
I have already said that. I don't know what you are talking about.
You are not just a backstabber, you're equally a cheap liar.
Princess, please, I beg you. Do not call me names.
I am not calling you names. I'm only describing how horrible you are. Swear. Swear you were not with Ogosi yesterday. Swear and die right now.
Ozine, please, let's leave the harsh words out of it for now.
This thing, this one you call your woman is a backstabber, and you're concerned about my choice of words? Who knows what she has been planning and what she's planning to do?
Oledo, I'm giving you the last chance to speak. What is going on between you and Ogosi? Were you with Ogosi yesterday?
Finally, someone is owning up. And that definitely cannot be the first time she's seeing her.
What were you doing with her?
I'm sorry, my prince.
And that is not the question. What were you doing with her? And not if you're sorry or not.
What were you doing with Ogosi? And I need an honest answer.
She wants love. She wanted me to help her get you and the princess to accept her.
You're definitely not going to fall for that cheap lie, will you?
I'm being honest. As senseless as it sounds, she wants me to help convince you and the princess that she is a good woman. That is the only business I have with her. That is the only business. I did not think it was a bad request. Because from what I know, she loves both of you. Please, just give her a chance to prove herself.
Ogosi, I am very disappointed in you. Very disappointed. I recommended the king to marry you because I wanted you to have a good life. I wanted you to be happy. Why are you bent on destroying this opportunity? Why?
You're not even interested in hearing my own part of the story.
What useless part of the story are you going to tell me that I should be listening to? What right does a woman have to deny her husband of her body? Why?
Even when a woman is unhappy?
What is happiness? No, I'm asking you. Can you define happiness? Can you? The king, to the best of my knowledge, has been doing everything possible to present the good life to you, to make you happy.
What about his children?
Are you married to his children?
They are part of his life. I'm married to their father. They wouldn't respect me. It's not done.
I want you to listen. and I want you to listen attentively. What you are doing to that man is morally wrong and baseless equally. No, do you know what it means for a man to burn down there and his wife is just lying down beside him, unwilling to do anything? Do you know?
Oh no, I don't care. All I want is happiness. I want to be happy. If he also wants his own happiness, then he should do the right thing. He should bring his children together, talk to them to respect me. I am his wife. If they do that, then everyone will be happy. If not, I don't have anybody's time.
Really?
Yes, really. Really? I mean, what is all this? This is supposed to be a private issue between a husband and a wife. Why did he have to bring it to you? What kind of a man is that? I mean, who does that? Please, if this is why you called me, I believe this discussion is over. Can I go?
Oh, of course, you will go. But before then, I want you to listen. You have to go home and make your marriage work. You are married to the king, not to his children. And the king is not going to force his children to love you. You have to make it work yourself. Do not destroy this blessing that is coming to you yourself. Don't do that. Go home and fix your marriage. Do it yourself.
I don't believe this. She actually told you to get us to accept her and you thought you could do that?
Well, no wonder she has been saying good things about her, trying to force her opinion down on us.
I explained everything to you, Olido. I told you the truth, the reason for all this. What do you even know about the king or about her to think we are being unreasonable about our stand? You know what? I'm disappointed in you. I don't even know if I can trust you anymore.
Trust her? How can you trust her? I mean, who knows what she has been saying about us anyway?
I swear, I did not do anything wrong. I only agreed to convince you to accept her.
And I asked why? Why would you do a thing like that?
I was left with no other option after what she revealed to me and the help she promised to give.
What are you talking about?
We are here talking about me going behind you to speak with her. What about you going behind me to see the princess that your father wants you to marry?
I trusted you. I gave you my time. I gave you my love, my everything. You are planning to leave me. Just because I am not a princess. Isn't that backstabbing?
What is she talking about?
I honestly have no idea.
Olido, are you okay? What marriage? What woman? What princess? What are you going on about? What is it?
When? My prince, when were you planning to tell me? On your engagement day? It doesn't matter. Because Ogosi already told me everything. As a matter of fact, I don't think I can ever trust you. You can go ahead. Go ahead and marry the princess. It's fine.
Don't be silly, Olido. What is wrong with you? There is no woman, no marriage, no princess anywhere. Where are you getting all this from? If Ogosi told you this then, she's only trying to get you into a tight corner so she can manipulate you. And that tells you she's such a bloody liar. I mean, there's an elaborate evidence. What is it?
I'm her mother, Agalacha.
And she's my niece.
I'm not dragging that with you. All I ask is that you put me through on what is going on.
I already told you that she stepped on toes, but I cannot give you the details that you ask for. All that matters now is that she's safe at Umuitem. Well, I hope so.
Yeah? What do you mean by you hope so? Does anyone else know she's there?
I said so because knowing Obioma, it will not be long before she lands herself in another trouble. Bia, Obiageri, where did she get that trait from? Nobody in our family is like that.
I'm tired. My sister, what have I not done to get her to start minding her business? Eh? I hope this girl doesn't kill me one day.
Well, she's away for now and will remain so indefinitely. Let's hope that she does not cause Nechitana to send her packing.
At least, she is far away from Mugo. Besides, I'm thinking of going there tomorrow.
To do what? To get the words out of Obioma's mouth? Please, allow Obioma to be and allow me to handle this the way I have planned. Please. But nothing. Just allow Obioma to be there. At least she's safe for now. And I will continue to ensure that she remains so. You need to trust me more.
You are really taking good care of my father's compounds. It looks better with each passing day.
I should be commended for taking care of my husband's compound, not my father's compound.
Oh dear. Don't worry. All hope is not lost yet.
Please, let me go get ready and do something better with my time. You can remain longer to admire your father's compound.
Destiny blows, it blows like the wind. If you do good on earth, good will follow you. If you do bad on earth, you will get your reward.
Greetings.
Greetings. I was at your hut, but your father said you've left for the palace already.
Yes, I got called by the prince.
Very good. I guess he thought about you all through the night.
Very true.
He loves you so much. No doubt. Which is why I believe it will be easier for you to get him to treat me rightly. Then, I will equally get that miserable princess off his back. Both of you are meant for each other. You know? Sorry, I stopped at your hut because I wanted you to show me where that maiden lives.
What maiden?
That maiden that works with Princess Ozine, Obioma, Agalacha's niece.
I don't know what you're talking about. See, Ogosi, I like and respect you, but I don't want to do this anymore. You need to sort yourself out with the king's children. I don't wish to be involved anymore.
Oh, don't be silly. What are you talking about? Listen, you know how it works. We are out here to help each other. You help me, I help you. That's it.
I don't think so.
What do you mean by that? Oh, I see. You do not want to be the prince's bride anymore. You want him to be taken by another maiden? Is that what you want?
I know there is no maiden anywhere. I know you made that up so as to make me help you. And the truth, I lost all the respect I have for you for doing that. For I know something clearly right now. You are a low-class deceiver that can fabricate anything just to get anything.
If you do good on earth, good will follow you. If you do bad on earth, you will get your reward.
I did not believe it when Chentana told me you visited.
Why?
Why? Because you hardly visit. To think you grew up here, I would not even visit when you went back home. Give us reason to believe you never liked the place.
You're entitled to your opinion, and I would not waste my time to argue with you.
I like facing the specifics. Would you mind telling me what you came to Umiting to do?
Really? I should have a reason for coming to a land you already made an important part of my history.
Please, tell me it is because you missed us.
How did you know? Yes, I missed you.
You think I am a fool?
Right? Tell me why you came.
But it's true, I missed you. I miss my brother Chetana, Ukwe, all of you. I miss you.
Good to know.
Diti, I heard Ukwe's mother's illness is really bad.
My dear, that is how we saw it. Ukwe is going through hard times now.
I also heard your deity chose her to be his wife, but the mother refused.
In fact, some people are beginning to murmur that the reason for her sudden breakdown is because of that.
What nonsense! What stupid thing is that? Is marriage by force? Besides, who would give her only daughter out to a deity? In this area where our men are beginning to understand the importance of loving their wives.
If I were you, I would rather be neutral or be on the deity's side. Do you want to face any problems?
She is right. I should respect myself while I am here and stay out of any kind of trouble. I don't know where I will run to if I find myself in another trouble. Yes,
How are you? I sure must know what has registered this elaborate smile on the face of this beautiful maiden.
I am honestly not surprised with the revelation from the seer. The moment the herbalist said he could not identify with the problem, I knew it could be what we now know.
Did we not try to warn her? But no. My wife thinks she knows more than every one of us. She thinks she is even above destruction. Now see.
I don't know what else to say or do. I am sick and tired of the issue.
I shall try and consult with the chief priest. There may be a way around it.
My in-law, he who plays his ball to the wall should expect it back. You and I know that the only way around it is for her to apologize to the deity and willingly consent to the marriage proposal.
Does it look like she will do that? Didn't you see her reaction when the seer made that revelation? Even in a helpless situation, how she mocked that revelation?
If after this, she still will not reconsider her stand, it means she has lost her mind. And nobody can save her from herself. I shall go home and rest.
Thank you very much, my in-law. I shall keep you posted on my progress.
No problem at all. No problem, my in-law.
That is the best we can do for now.
What about the man she's seen?
Allegedly seen. Nothing is certain yet.
Well, I'm out to prove that.
And I say no.
Sondo, what is this? Why are you doing this? I mean, right from the very day you saw that woman, something in you told you she wasn't right for her father. And I felt the same way too.
What exactly is the basis of your argument?
We are not in any argument, Uzanto. I just want that evil woman out of her father's house, that's all.
What result did you get from the confrontation you had with her over what that maiden told you about her? Listen to me, I don't want you to lose the little fear and respect she has for you. And if you go about it this way and confront her, that's exactly what will happen.
I just want that evil woman to leave her father alone. And I want him to realize we've been right all along.
Father doesn't want that. He says she's the best thing that's happened to him. Why don't you just let him enjoy his best thing? We'll continue relating to Father just the way we've always done. And we'll make as much effort as possible to ignore his marriage. In fact, act as though it doesn't exist. Time will definitely get rid of the evil aura she emitted on arrival.
Okay, fine. Look, it's not going to be easy. It's not going to be easy to live in this palace with that evil woman. But I will try.
Good.
I will say exactly what you said I should do.
Good. And I hope this time you'll try to concentrate more on your own relationship. That even reminds me. How is your man? When last did you see him?
Been a while.
My point exactly. Leave them alone and concentrate on your relationship. I'm going to have a nap.
Solo que bolo, apapanaka. Udaro bioma, ndemo. Ebo, iyo koko, onye